so my puppy is going to play with some of my fidgets, and we'll see how she reacts to this pink poppet. Oh my gosh, it's on the bad side, so let's see. What are you doing with it? Where are you? Oh, you want to go on the bed? Let's go. My bed is the best she's been on here, just saying. No. You're supposed to... Are you eating it or are you popping it? She popped those. She's just gonna chew at it, so but she did pop them, so that's how she plays with the poppet. Darla, here's a pop tube. It's like a bone to her. She's literally just eating it. Okay. That's my favorite pop tube, so that's okay. I have a feeling. Yep, she just broke it. How wonderful is that? Okay, so that's how she plays with the pop tube. No more. No. Picture might be done. You want this? Actually, what's that? Let's see. Let's see if she can do any damage to this. I'm gonna conclude this, but she really likes this. I'm gonna let her have this. Okay, now a pop ball, and don't worry, this is already popped. It's deflated. She already bit a hole in it because she's acting like it's a ball. So I'm gonna see what she does now because it's already broken. It can't get any worse, I bet. Maybe it can. Oh, she's going for it. Whoa! She's getting emoji. Is that emoji? Okay, next one's gonna be emoji. We have emoji. You want this? she just chews on everything.